welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today we are at the ultimate medium.com course, part 19 of 30. Why building important medium.com connections on LinkedIn is so important. So first of all, my friends, you need to understand why you should build a connections with other medium writers on LinkedIn. What's so important about that? Well, the biggest importance is building your brand on LinkedIn, your brand on LinkedIn as a writer, and also getting gigs from LinkedIn, getting email lists from LinkedIn, getting followers from LinkedIn, growing your LinkedIn profile, and getting leads from LinkedIn, getting businesses from LinkedIn. There are so many opportunities. People think that on Medium you can just write a story and make money from the paid Medium members reading your stories, or maybe perhaps you have some affiliate links in your at the end of your Medium stories, and these are the only two ways to make money. The biggest way to make money is to have an audience on LinkedIn that want to buy your stuff. They want to buy your paid subscription, email subscription, paid services, and stuff like that. This is the biggest advantage of having connections on LinkedIn with other Medium writers. Now I'm going to show you which connections are very important. First of all, the most successful Medium writer that is also very successful on LinkedIn is Tom Kugler. He has courses, paid courses on LinkedIn. He has paid email subscription and paid courses regarding Medium, and he is just selling this course like hotcakes, to be honest with you. So you can connect with him, find out what he's up to, and find his connections that usually post on his content. You will find other Medium writers as well. He's connected with all the Medium writers. Then of course we are going to go for Zuli Rain. She has improved her connections and portfolio. She also has 2,000 followers, just like Tom Kugler had, and she has a newsletter as well, a free newsletter. I'm already subscribed to it, and she's making an email list and all the stuff, and you can see what she's up to. Also you can see you can take ideas from her work as well. Then a very important figure, Mehmet Yildiz, the owner of Illumination Publication. He has got 25,000 followers. He's a monster on LinkedIn. I am connected to him, and he will share very important stuff on LinkedIn, and his audience. You can check out his audience. You can check out what he's up to, and you can talk to him, collaborate with him, whatever. You can do so many things. These are three important people, my friends, and I think Sinem, yes, she's also on LinkedIn. Let's check her out. She doesn't have any followers, but she claims that she's a writing coach, and she is a writing coach. So she is a writing coach. This means she is also selling this service on LinkedIn. she's selling services on LinkedIn. And there are so many other people that you might find on LinkedIn that are medium related, from the medium about section. People usually share it over there, or at the end of articles people share it, so you can find out more about them. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, my friends. Stay tuned for part 20 coming right up.